By following these straightforward steps, you may earn up to $500. I guarantee that you will be happy to discover about this method. Don't worry, I will teach you how. Just keep on watching and make sure you do not miss anything. The first thing to do is just take your mobile phone and head right to the Google Play Store and download this software for free. Just like that, you will be earning $500 or more. Imagine making this huge amount with no selling, no video, and a straightforward setup. This is a relatively short and precise procedure requiring just minutes of your time from start to finish. And it makes no difference where you come from. However, if you have a mobile phone, you may start earning that money right now. I'll also offer you strategies to triple or even quadruple your money. But before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Now let's get back to the video. The first step that you can use to earn money online today is Foap, which is really an app that has a massive collection of millions of various high-performance and high-quality images on the Foap. What exactly is Foap? Foap is a free picture app for iOS and Android that enables you to sell your photographs. When you submit your image to the Foap app, they become accessible to millions of photo purchases all around the globe on the Foap market. There are essentially two categories of individuals. First and foremost, some individuals seek to acquire different images. Every day, hundreds of thousands of people use Foap in search of various photographs to acquire. The second group on Foap is the vendor selling images straight via this app. That is precisely how you may earn from this app. You also won't have to take any photographs yourself. You don't require any graphic design abilities, nor do you ever go on camera. And you won't even be needed to have any technical expertise. Now stay on watching, and I'll show you unique places where you can discover lots of done-for-you automated images that you can just re-upload and share on this app. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. By the time you complete viewing this video, you may be generating your first couple of bucks in no time. Go over to foap.com and click on the Submit Your Brand Brief button, and then click on Sell Your Content at the top right column inside the For Creator button. It will then link you to the website where you can see how you can earn money with your videos and photographs. You can obtain the complete software on your iOS or Android smartphone. If you have an Android phone, all you have to do is go to the Google Play Store and search for the Foap. Make sure you acquire the proper app by checking the description. Alternatively, if you have an iPhone, you can just go to the App Store and download the Foap for nothing at all. Without further delay, I'd like to show you the whole collection that will be accessible on the Foap website. The number of high-resolution and high-quality photographs available for purchase on this website is impressive, as you can see, and they're making a significant amount of money passively. However, what's even more wonderful and unique about this software is that you will still be able to collect commission and money from the website even if you submit the images on this platform in the next few days or the following years after you upload them, because many images you have uploaded and shared will be there for sale. Furthermore, millions of people continue to explore and buy different photographs from various vendors every month. Also, keep in mind that you are not required to make or take any images during this time. Let's simplify it. Suppose that you want to buy a photo on this website. Typically, a price of $20 in US money is applied to every picture if you scroll through, and this price tag applies to most of the photos. You may be thinking about how much money you may earn right now with this website because the images are not as inexpensive as you believe them to be. You may truly get money by posting your videos and pictures on the internet. It's as simple as that. Also, keep in mind that they will share a portion of the profits with you. 50% of the money goes to the general account and 50% goes to your account. That's all right. This is because they will immediately sell the photograph on your behalf, which is why they are taking 50% of your earnings. In addition, it's excellent because Foap is a well-known platform. They collaborate with many famous companies and get millions of visitors. As a result, they will instantly aid you in promoting and selling the various photographs that you post on this website. Thus, you will not be required to do any labor-intensive tasks. Nothing more than copying and pasting the images into this site will be needed for you to start earning money passively right now. In addition, I'd like to show you something exciting that I found on this page. Additionally, you can now do more than just sell your photographs. You can also participate in various jobs or missions. For example, there is a financial incentive of more than $50 for completing an assignment. In addition, a monetary prize of $600 is available for another request. And there are a plethora of various missions that you may participate in every week. And you can simply post various photographs based on the team that has been assigned to you. When you submit different photos based on the other tasks that have been given to you, you have a chance to win real money. If you want to enhance your earnings, you can also go to Shutterstock.com, which is functionally quite similar to Foap in terms of features. Every day, many people come here to purchase various photographs. You may be the one to join and upload some images to Shutterstock to make hundreds of dollars, since they have a vast library of different good quality and high-resolution photos. If this is the case, you should consider joining and uploading some photographs to Shutterstock. As a consequence, you may also upload to the Foap. The more websites you sign up for, the more money you will earn, since some individuals will go to Foap to purchase your photographs, and there will also be some people who will buy from Shutterstock. After overseeing this video, you may be able to apply this strategy, which may allow you to simply copy and paste multiple images for generating several sorts of passive income in the process. All you have to do to get started right now is click on the sign up button one more time, and that will lead you to the next page where you can sign up for a free account. To sign up for a free account, all you have to do is enter your email address and the password you want to use to access the site for free. Making it easier for you to get free images from the internet, I advise you to go to the websites where you may get free, high-quality photographs. Shopify.com is the domain name of the website in question. There are a variety of high-quality and high-resolution pictures available on this website. These free picture compilations can help you earn money as you get them for free from here. They are intended to assist you in identifying popular items that are reasonably simple and are in high demand. The free picture sets feature both product photography and lifestyle photographs, allowing you to download material for free to help you create a professional brand. These collections are intended to serve a jumping-off point for a new enterprise. To pick from, there are several distinct categories to consider. As you can see, they are of excellent quality, and the best part is that you don't have to put any money into it. In addition, these are all of the images that we can download with a single click of a button from our phone or our computer. You will find loads of photos to choose from on this website, both in high resolution or low resolution. However, I strongly advise you to download the high resolution images. They will fetch even more money. However, an alternative option is also available for you. PicWizard.com is the website that I am talking about. On this website, you can also get many high-quality and free stock images. Over 1 million distinct high-quality photos are available for download, all of which are provided for free. This is a more efficient and time-saving way than the previous one. For example, I click on a picture and am sent to the next page of this website. Here, you can pick whether to download it to your phone or computer by selecting one of the download options on the page. Once it's downloaded, now you can upload it to Shutterstock or Foap.com, after which you must wait for the approval. Once it is approved, now it's ready for sale. The fact is that I can genuinely get numerous royalty commissions and passive money daily. That's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.